from midnight tonight to midnight Saturday night. The agency expects to see levels of ozone in the unhealthy for sensitive groups range on the air quality index. On air quality advisory days, everyone can help reduce ozone formation by taking the following actions. Take the bus, carpool, bike, or walk instead of drive. Refuel your vehicle after 8 p.m. Do not top off when refueling and tighten the gas cap. Do not idle your vehicle. Exhaust contributes considerably to ozone formation. Avoid use of gasoline-powered lawn equipment on air quality advisory days. For additional information, please visit the Southwest Ohio Air Quality Agency's website. Looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region. High pressure in the lower Great Lakes will slowly track southeast into the Ohio Valley on Saturday. The high will linger through Monday as it reaches the Appalachians and becomes more diffuse. Southwest flow will then take over and a threat for showers exists late Monday and overnight.